Arguments are done. The future of the way we use and consume the internet now hangs in the balance. For about 2.5 hours this morning, the Supreme Court heard oral arguments in the case of Gonzalez versus Google. If you want a backstory on what that case is all about, go watch this video. Now, as I listened to the oral arguments this morning, I lost count of the amount of times the justices said, "I'm confused." And they weren't just confused about the arguments being made on each side about the complicated issues of Section 230 and what protections internet companies like Google are given, but they were also confused about how YouTube recommends content to any given user or what role thumbnails play in those recommendations. In fact, Justice Elena Kagan had the whole courtroom laughing when she said this.
I mean, we're a court. We really don't know about these things. You know, these are not like the 9 greatest experts on the internet.
The justices acknowledged several times that messing with any part of Section 230 would cause chaos online and in courtrooms across the country. Several justices suggested this is actually a job for Congress. Now, this is where people always get hung up during Supreme Court oral arguments. Just because the justices seemed like they were leaning one way or the other based on their questions doesn't mean that's the way they're going to rule. In fact, sometimes it's the complete opposite. The bottom line is we won't know for sure until the ruling is released at the end of the Supreme Court's term in June.